Would you like to share with everyone your science experiment?
Well, today I made a homemade flashlight all out of recycled materials. We did it with a battery, and we put the battery in a tube, and then we wrapped tape around the battery so it would fit in the toilet paper tube. And then we got a flashlight bulb, and we took it out of the flashlight and wrapped a wire around it, and then I forget what it's called. What did we do? We soldered it.
Ah, yes.
So, but we also put this is foil. It's like tape, aluminum tape, and some foil at the bottom, so all the light would go in one direction. And then we put the wire to the battery, taped it to the battery tube, and then we soldered the wire to there, and we brought the battery down there, and when you press that,
it works. Yeah. What did you learn?
To answer some questions.
Yeah, I would love that.
Okay. This is inferring. What is the purpose of lining a cup with aluminum foil? I just told you it's to focus the light beam to go in one direction. Does it matter which way the battery is placed in the tube? It doesn't matter which way the electric is flowing, because it would matter if you had a motor, but it doesn't matter if you have a flashlight, because either way, light bulbs are going. Making model. What does the bulb have to be connected? Why does the bulb have to be connected at 2 points in order for it to light? It needs to be connected at 2 points just to complete the circuit. How could you make your flashlight brighter? How could you make it more rugged, I think it is? Like we did, we soldered it to make it more rugged. And then, but you could also make the tube not cardboard, but metal. And then that would make it better. Compare your flashlight to a manufactured one. Explain the differences. Well, it's made better, made out of better material. It's definitely a lot more sturdier. They are more precise than we were. It's made to last. This is not. And it's waterproof. Theirs is. And this is kind of like if you drop it, it's done.
Right.
Write an advertisement for your flashlight. This one was hard. In your ad, list the features of your flashlight and explain why a consumer should buy it. Well, you can't accidentally leave it on, and you can't drain the battery because you have to press this to make it light.
Oh, you have to hold it in.
Right. It's really cheap. Extremely long light and battery life, of course, if you don't drop it.
Right.
And entirely made out of recycled material. It's easy to turn on and off. It's because of the extremely long light and battery life, it's because we put a 1.5 volt battery to a 3 volt light, and that makes it last longer. And then it's not very big.
Right.
So I say our experiment went pretty good.
Oh.
Of course, we changed it up and we didn't make it like the book told us.
Of course, not with Grandpa.
No.
He always improvises.
We had to make it better.
Yeah, right. You know what else you could put in your advertisement is that it's homemade, because people love that, you know. Made in the USA, homemade. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing with us today.